Hello everyone, how you guys doing? I hope you guys have a wonderful time. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Rosemary, and in today's video, in today's video, I'm going to be teaching you guys how to slash Spanish leaf in a blender. Okay, so I have, this is my food processor right here. This is my food processor. So if you stay with me to the end of the video, I'm going to tell you all of the work these food processors do for me, and where I got it from. Okay, so this is baby Spanish. You can see, right, this is baby Spanish leaf right here. I have about 3 boxes. I have 3 boxes right here, which I'm going to be using. So we're going to be slashing the Spanish leaf today. I want to cook the Spanish leaf. So let's get started. Let's get started. I know for sure this is clean, so I'm not going to wash it. You know, Spanish leaf have a lot of water in it, so I don't want to put additional water on there. Okay, I'm sure it's okay. So this is my blender right here. What's the black stuff? Okay, so I put the food my go. Be fast. I should have something. Guys, hold on. So this is the baby Spanish leaf. This is how it look like. This is how the baby Spanish look like. And I'm going to be slashing this baby Spanish in a blender today. So what I'm going to do is just to put it in a blender right here, like this. Just let me know in the comment section what you think of this blender, okay? So I'm going to plug this in the wall. Every time I'm done using this, I always unplug it because I have kids in my home. This is the very fast and easy way to use this, okay? And I have a lot of Spanish leaf here, so it's a continuous process. Take this off. Just like that. This blender works for you in a second. Oh my god, I can't believe this. I can't wait to show you guys the amazing result. So guys, this is the first result right here. Oh my god, it's food. I can't believe this is food. This is the first result of the Spanish leaf, how it look like. I hope you guys gonna see this. Can you see that? Yes. Oh, this is really nice. Oh my god, I can't believe this. What? Don't mix it. They have 2 sides. One is for slashing and the other one for threading. So I'm slashing today, so I'll be using this side right here. So I'm just gonna get this off your way. I told you guys, if you stay with me to the end of the video, I will tell you where I bought this food processor from. It has been with me for, I bought this thing since January, right? About 6 months. It's been with me for 6 months. And yeah, Very, very easy to use. So with this food processor, you can process your food, like fruit. Yeah, you can process your fruit and vegetable in here. Yeah. Like you can even slash potatoes in there if you want to slash a potato. If you want to slash a potato, you can slash it right in here. You slash grains like I'm doing, slashing my Spanish leaf right in here. Yeah. And the list goes on the. My African sisters, I want you guys to please share the video. Have you seen this? Have you seen the food processor? We who love to slash our potatoes. If you get this, guys, hey, you want to cook, you want to slash grain every day. Because as for me, I'm one of the person who love green, but I don't have the patience to slash green. But since I got this stuff, guys, I'm going to cook green every day. Yeah. I'm going to cook greens every day. Just like that. This is the... So this is the second batch right here. This is the second batch, and this is how it look like. Let me know in the comment section what you think of this. So this is how I slash my grains in a food processor blender right here. And thank you so much for, if you watched to the end of the video, thank you so much for staying with me. I got this food processor blender from Walmart. Yeah, I got it from Walmart, okay? So yeah, but you can get it from Sam's Club, you get it from Best Buy, from just any store you want to get it from, okay? Yeah, you can get it anywhere, but as for me, I bought this one from Walmart. So shout out to our manager who just helped me to tell you guys that you can get it from anywhere. Not forgetting our one and only producer. Shout out to you, producer. And happy holiday to you guys. We love you all so much. I hope you guys have a wonderful, wonderful time. Once again, my name is Rosemary. On this channel we do, along with Rosalie, on this channel we do just a little bit of everything. We do cleaning, we do cooking, we do products review, we do fitness, and this channel is family friendly. Exercise. This channel is family friendly. So what about my videos? Yeah, so can you please subscribe to my baby girl channel? Her YouTube channel name is Rose Helen Daycare. Rose Helen's Daycare. Please support her by subscribing to her channel. Okay? Yeah, we want her to hit 1K subscribers. Yeah, we want to hit 1K subscribers. So thank you all so much. If you made it to the end of the video, you are so awesome. Thanks for your support. Thanks for being awesome. Thanks for liking, thanks for sharing, thanks for subscribing to our channel. We love you so much. Bye. So bye guys. See you guys in the next video, okay?